Hey innovators, welcome back to Benudhar IoT, your hub for amazing text, coding, and automation projects. Today, we are going to build a CS desktop application in Visual Studio 2022. Let's control the Arduino Uno output pins using serial communications. So, let's get started.
Welcome to Benudhar IoT.
Here is what you will need for this project: an Arduino Uno, a USB cable, a Windows PC with Visual Studio 2022 installed, and of course, some basic CRs and Arduino knowledge. We will be using serial communication to control the digital pins of the Arduino. Let's begin with the Arduino code. This code listens for the serial command and turns on or off the digital pins based on the commands. So let's open the Arduino IDE. Next, create a new sketch. Let's expand this. So let's bring this down first. Okay. So first we'll take some integers so that we will define the pins. Let's define the pins. Let's set LED pin 1 is equal to we're taking in 7 and in our LED. Okay. Let's try another one. Let's take 8 number. Okay. So for now in the board setup, let's set up the pin configuration. We'll for the output we are taking that for output or input. As you know that we are taking this for the output purposes. So let's use pin mode. Pin mode. Okay. Then let's define LED. LED pin 1. Okay. Then we are taking this for output. Okay. Let's add this. Similarly, we'll take another one. Okay. This data is output. Let's begin the serial communication. We are taking Arduino now. For that Arduino board we are taking 960. Next go for the board setup. If available, then char command is called serial dot read. Okay. Let's use switch command. Okay. Switch. switch command. Okay. We are taking some cases like case 1. Okay. This is for fast LED to be high. Okay. So we will write digital light. So now for the Arduino coding, we are using digital light. Let's define the LED pin 1. Okay. So first we need to make it high. Okay. Okay. We made it high. And then provide a break. Okay. So similarly for taking a low case, so let's copy this again. Okay, so let's take it as B and we'll make it as low. Okay, so similarly we'll take for the pin. Okay. It as C, that's D. Okay. So let's change the pin number as pin number 2 and let it go just. So and then our Arduino code is completed. So let's upload this, check the code and upload the code. Let's take the code out. So we found some error. So let's rectify the error. So we found that it is written LED2 not defined, means we have not mentioned LED2. Okay. So let's modify it to now then let's compile. Let's see the compilation. Okay, compiling successfully done. Okay, now pair the Arduino and connect to the computer. Okay, okay. Now our Arduino is connected. Let's check here. Now let's upload the code. Okay, our code is going to upload now. Okay, now Arduino uploading. Still uploaded the Arduino code. Now let's go for the script. Now let's create the Windows format Visual Studio. Open the Visual Studio. This Visual Studio open. Then let's create a new one. Create new project. Okay. Then we will go for new format, Windows format. Okay. Which is a .NET framework. We'll use .NET framework. Okay. Then go for next. Let's rename this as Arduino controller. Okay. We have named it as Arduino controller. So let's create this. In this design area, we'll take 2 buttons. Another button taking. Okay, I have taken 1 button. So I have taken 2 buttons. Okay, let's take one combo button. Taking this for the communication port use. Okay, I'm taking it here. Let's keep this here. Another we will take one button for the connecting our button. So let's make it here because we have to connect from here. Okay, so let's rename the button. Okay, first we'll use this button, button 1. We'll name it as on. Okay, button 2 as off. Okay, that's button 3 as connect. Okay, so now let's go for the coding for this. Okay guys, so okay, so now let's start the serial code. Okay, serial code, serial code. Equals to new serial. Okay, we are getting warnings because we don't have the using the system, so let's use it here. Using system ports. Okay, now we already got this in system port here, so let's use this system ports. Now in this one. Okay, now let's see initialize the combo box 1 for connect purposes. Okay, how to get this? Let's I'm showing how to get this. Here it is in Android. Combo box 1. Okay, combo box 1 is here. As the ID name. So we will go for the coding. So after that, we will use the data source as mentioned here. Data source which is shown clearly, and serial port and this complete for the okay. So let's do this. So let's change the button area. Button connect. Okay. So now double click on this. So directly will get no need to type this over. Okay. So let's use try. Okay. Serial port dot port name equals combo version. Already we have seen this in here, so we will use this same code. Select combo box 1, select item. So click on tab, we will get this. Okay, now go for the serial border. Okay, set the border. I do set in the Arduino Uno. Serial port dot baud rate. Okay, baud rate equals to 98. Okay. Now let's go for the open. First we will open the serial port. Okay. You can use this one, or else you can leave it, but you can leave it as comment. Okay, but we will just show on message box. We want to see one copy man. Okay, and then Arduino connect successfully. We want to see this. So now let's use another catch. Okay, we already got this. So let's click on tab so that we can get directly message so error by Arduino. Now I can go for the designer page. Let's rename this as on one. On. So let's use the ID as BPM. On to the left and off. We can identify easily. Enter. Now copy these two. Okay. Now rename this as on to say that coffee. Similarly, we will change the ID over here. Button up, okay. Now it's done. So first click on button 1. Let's open on the serial port is open. Now and this. So let's keep this command as for the reference. Okay. Sorry, we will keep this in double quoted. That is why I'm copying and pasting this code. Copy and paste. Now we use this as a key. This round. For C, and it is for D. Okay. First we have already done. I'm adding this code because whenever we will close the window, the port will automatically disconnect. Okay. So I'm using this code. Form 1 will be closed. Then the CD port will be also closed. Okay. So our code is complete. Now let's test